Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about retirement visas. Specifically, we're talking about banking in connection with that. And question posed is, how long must a bank balance? So for those who are unaware, there are sort of two main requirements associated with the retirement visa. Specifically, O or OA retirement visas. That's what we're talking about here. So you can either have 800,000 baht maintained as a balance in a Thai bank account, 65,000 baht per month in the form of pension. As we've discussed in the past, there is, as stated on Thai Immigration's website, this ability to sort of mix, if you will, those two things. I have never seen that on a routine basis be applied. So I always, and I've done videos on this in the past, I've even had to do a correction video myself, because I was saying it wasn't possible, and then I went and looked it up, and yeah, it actually is listed on the website. I've never seen it as a practical matter be implemented that way, so leave that one aside. What we're talking about here is the bank balance, the 800,000 baht in a Thai bank account, and utilizing that to extend one's Thai retirement visa. Question posed is, how long does it have to be on balance? I've seen a lot of people, I've gotten some questions recently, and people are saying, Thai Immigration in this location is saying that, you know, I took money out of it, you know, X, and it went under 400,000, and now I can't renew my retirement visa. So again, you got to remember, this is not driven by explicit code. It's sort of guidelines, if you will. And again, all Thai immigration officers are able to basically utilize their discretion as well. So you gotta bear that in mind. But long story short, where we saw it at its strictest, this was actually during Big Joke's tenure at the helm of Thai immigration, was, if I recall correctly, you had to have 800,000 in 2 months prior to the renewal of a retirement visa and maintain that balance 3 months after, and then at the same time the balance could never go below 400,000. So that was when we saw these guidelines being enforced at their absolute tightest. Since then, we've kind of seen it ease off. The different offices are a little more lax. They have a little more leeway. Again, an immigration officer may be able to exercise their discretion in your favor. Again, these are case-specific, case-dependent, or excuse me, fact-dependent scenarios. It's going to depend on the specific facts in a given case, and then the immigration officer is going to make findings of fact and conclusions of law when deciding and adjudicating whether or not to grant an extension of retirement visa. That said, if you find the retirement visa requirements or the stipulations a bit overwhelming, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.